Christmas. Today's going to be a Christmas get ready with me. I thought since I did a Thanksgiving one, I should do a Christmas one. So let's get into it. Hey guys, don't mind the lighting. I know it's so horrible. But first I'm going to start with my makeup, of course. I'm going to start with some foundation. I'm going to mix these two together. So let's get into that. Next, I'm gonna add some concealer, some Christmas songs in the back. I'm gonna add some bronzer. The makeup looks kind of bad right now, but trust the process. Some blush. Next, I'm gonna add some highlight. And next I'm gonna add some powder. Okay, next I'm gonna add some eyeshadow. And next I'm gonna add some eyeliner. Okay, next I'm gonna add some mascara. Some lip liner. Okay, I'm gonna add some lip gloss. I'm gonna add some extra concealer. Trust the process with this look. I'm gonna add some extra blush. Okay, the makeup isn't makeuping today, but I'm gonna add some setting spray. Okay, I'm done with the makeup. Next, I'm gonna move on to the hair. Hey guys, I just brushed my hair. Now I'm gonna curl it. Hey guys, the hair is ready. Now let's get to the outfit. Okay, here's the outfit. Simple. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Happy holidays. I hope you all have a wonderful Christmas. Anyways, thanks for watching and keep up for more.